Hello everyone. In this video, we will study file error handling functions in C. So basically, while performing any operations on file, there are chances of errors while handling that functions. So now we will see what are the possible errors that can be occurred while using file operations. So in that, the first one is trying to read beyond the end of file. Means this error can be occurred when we are trying to access the file beyond the limit. Means suppose there are 10 characters in the file and we are trying to access more than 10 characters. So that means in the file there are only 10 characters, but we are trying to access more than 10 characters. So this kind of thing is called as, that is, reading beyond the end of file. The second error can be device overflow. So here, suppose we are trying to perform operations which cannot be handled by computer. Means suppose we are trying to perform more operations through the computer. It is not possible for the computer to handle more operations. So in this case, the device overflow can occur. The next one is trying to use a file that has not been opened. Means even there are chances that we try to perform operations on a file that is not opened by using fopen function. Means without opening the file we cannot perform operations. So at that time this particular error can occur. Means we try to access the file which is not opened. At that time this error can be occurred. The next one is trying to perform an operation on a file when the file is open for another type of operation. Here, suppose we are opening a particular file in read mode. That means we can only read that particular file. But suppose we try to write in that file, it is not possible. So when we try to write in a particular file and that file is open only for read purpose, then this kind of error can occur. Even suppose you have opened a particular file in write mode, then you cannot read that file. The next one is opening a file with an invalid file name. So this error can be occurred when we try to open a file and that file name is invalid. It may be an invalid file name, or suppose we are trying to open a particular file which is not present in the system. The next one is attempting to write to a write protected file. So here, suppose there are some files that are write to protect. Means we can only read, we cannot write in that file because of protection or security. So suppose if we try to write in that file, the error can be occurred. Means we cannot write in protected file, and if we try to attempt that, the error will occur. So these are the 6 errors that can be handled by 2 functions. So in that, the first one is FEOF function, that is end of file function. So this function is particularly used to test for an end of file condition. Means Suppose we try to access the file and that file has only 20 characters, and suppose we are trying to access more than that character. So at this point, suppose we are using FEOF function, it will show the error that your file content is over. So if the condition is true, then it will return 1. If the condition is false, it will return 0. So this is the syntax for that. In brackets, FP, that is file pointer, which gives the address of opened file. Another function is that ferror function. It reports the status of the file indicated. So apart from end of file function, the other errors can be handled by this ferror function. So suppose you are trying to write in protected file, or suppose you are performing different operations. So like that, if you are doing, then by using this particular function, we can control the errors. So this is the syntax for that, f error, and in bracket again file pointer.